And welcome back to another video of the series where I upgrade every single version of Windows XP to Windows 10 22H2 obviously. So let's just get on. So last time I installed Windows Vista Service Pack 1. Now I'm installing Service Pack 2 because that's my life. So we're gonna go to the control panel here. No, not control panel. My computer. If you're wondering why is the Windows XP chest background there, because it's an upgrade. It keeps the previous profile picture, so yay. Alright, we're gonna go to local disk. No, CD-ROM. We're gonna go Windows Vista Service Pack. Why did it give me an error? I'm supposed to do the UAC. Welcome to Windows Vista Service Pack 2. I obviously accept the license terms. And now it's going to prepare my computer. I would like to install. And usually I will play a game of Inkball. Where's an Inkball? I want to play Inkball. What is free cell? What innovation? No. Bad. Get in. Get in. Nice. Now I'm blocking this. No. Get in. I'm blocking every single potential entrance. No. It broke one defense. Yes. Not. Propel. It broke another part of the defense. To protect it from going to the wrong pipe. There. Or wrong hole. Whatever you would like to call it. And this time the orange is going to be first, so. There. Now I'm protecting this with all my life. Meaning with all my ink on it. Come on. Get in. It's starting to lose momentum. If we go in there, I'm gonna be mad. There we go. Nice. No. I haven't really lost the game at Inkball yet until now. Okay, the orange one went in. The blue one needs to go. So just guide it. Guide it. Yeah. Alright, that's enough Inkball. Yeah, that's what happens if we don't have proper graphics drivers, even though we technically do. But Arrow isn't working because I don't need it to work. Where is Source Pack? And it's almost done, apparently. I know there's a thing in Windows XP where I just installs a Surge Pack without upgrading it, which takes forever, but I had the ISOs already, so whatever. The installation might take an hour or more. That was not an hour or more. I played a few games of Inkball, it's done. It closed, so it's supposed to restart. Yup. Configuring updates. Installing my service pack. Installing service pack. Stage 1 out of 3. 4% complete. Do not turn off your computer. Alright, then I won't then. Alright, in the meanwhile, I'm going to download Windows Vista Service Pack 3. Windows Vista Service Pack 3, please. think there is a Service Pack 3, right? No, there isn't a Service Pack 3. It's the last Service Pack. I thought there was a Service Pack 3, but there isn't. I think there's a Life Cycle Service Pack or something. Let me just search up Windows Vista Life Cycle. I'm gonna upgrade to that if there is one. Okay, yeah, there isn't one. All I searched up when I searched up Windows Vista Life Cycle, and I just got a bunch of ducks. What? Lockdown Windows 7 user resets own password. Alright, yeah. Yeah, I think this is the last service pack, and I have to download Windows 7 now, so Windows 7 time. Windows 7 RTM download. And hey, I can at least install VMware Tools now. Never mind. Because, I mean, I can. I'm going to download Windows 7 Ultimate RTM x86. And now this is actually supposed to come with Arrow, but sometimes Arrow just does not like to work. So yeah, I'm gonna let Windows 7 download for now while this is just doing stuff. So it's done. That took barely anything. No, thanks. Alright, we have Service Pack 2. Can I install VMware Tools meant for Windows Vista? So choose a disk or ISO. VMware Tools for Windows Vista. A computer. Setup. Allow. Yeah, it's not giving me an error, which is nice. So I can at least get I might be able to get audio drivers now. So, but what I know is previous audio drivers meant for Windows XP don't work anymore. Hello. Do you work? Oh, disappeared. Preparing to install. Hey. I'm gonna install VMware Tools so we can get audio. Because the audio driver currently is this requires I need Windows 2000 XP or Server 2003. I changed the operating system that I was using to I changed the operating system name to be Windows Vista. Why? Well, Windows 7 is downloaded, so I guess I should do it now. So, CD, DVD, Windows 7 Ultimate, because why not? And I'm just gonna restart. And let it restart. And fun fact, the Windows 7 boot logo is an animation. So that means Microsoft actually took their time in making it. And it's nostalgic, as many people say. The Windows Vista down part is also animated, but it's not as satisfying. I mean, it would be more satisfying with the audio though. Computer. I kind of wish it kept my wallpapers from XP. Just like if you upgrade from 98 to XP, it'll keep your existing wallpapers from 98. Except in this case, we don't have the XP background. It usually might keep it though. So I'm gonna get a picture. Should I get a picture of Windows XP Bliss first? I save as wallpaper. Save image. Index. I downloaded the image. Can I personalize desktop background? Except I'm just going to browse for background. I'm going to go to C users owner downloads index. I think that's what the file name is called, but I'm just gonna go to the downloads folder. Yeah, index. Says desktop background. Hey, got Bliss, but close enough to Bliss. It is a bit not in the correct resolution, quite blurry, but close enough. We're gonna go to setup. It was made in 2009, so that means Windows 7. RTM. I'm going to RTM here. So the current says sub is starting. It doesn't say please wait unlike in Windows Vista. It just says it's a similar setup to Windows Vista. I mean, exact same basically. Upgrade, please. The following issues are preventing Windows from upgrading. Windows needs to be researched and necessary changes can be made to the system. Ultimate extras have been discontinued, no longer be available. I can't upgrade for some reason. It's actually supposed to let me upgrade, but it's not going to. And I'm not going to be doing a fresh install. Nope, 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 nope. Can I just bypass this or something? It says I need to restart. Yeah, I think that's called restarting. Let me just let it restart really quick so it could actually do stuff. Or is it just having a fit? Like upgraded, what? A bunch of times now? Or 6 times now. How can I run the S7 installer like Windows 7? Install now. And I feel like it's still not gonna let me upgrade or something. It says I need to restart, but I did. I think that was the only part. And then those are just warnings. So, upgrade please, and I will do that. Alright, it says, it doesn't say anything about we can't upgrade, so, next. Your upgrade may take several hours to complete. Copying Windows installation files to your computer. 300 megabytes of 2 gigabytes copied. Why does it take forever in the real hardware thing if it's only 2 gigabytes? Hey, at least this is, when you upgrade, it shows you what's happening. Unlike sometimes, and just like command, get the start menu here. And can I show the desktop? Show the desktop. Yo, we got Bliss. Bad Bliss though, cause it's blurry. And install Windows. Alright. Gathering files, settings, and programs and all of that. It's saying please wait for results. So I'm on please wait for a minute. I'm gonna see properties though. Oh, here's the properties on my computer. Windows Experience Index, it's a 1.0. That's why we don't have arrow. So update my score. Yes. Alright, bye. I'm just gonna let this sit and put you music.
give me your loyalty. Cause I'm taking the world, you'll see. They'll be calling me, calling me. They'll be calling me royalty. Best to give me your loyalty. Cause I'm taking the world, you'll see. They'll be calling me, calling me. They'll be calling me royalty. Calling me royalty. Say I'm dangerous 'cause I broke all the cages. No, I didn't take it. No, no. They love me for that, I guess they'll never learn. Every time I break, there's just more pain to burn. They'll never, never, never learn. Through the battles won, still kingdom come. Best to give me your loyalty. Cause I'm taking the world, you'll see. They'll be calling me, calling me. They'll be calling me royalty. Best to give me your loyalty. Cause I'm taking the world, you'll see. They'll be calling me, calling me. They'll be calling me royalty. Calling me royalty. Calling me royalty. They'll be calling me good-hearted, but I'm just getting started. Put my eyes on the target. No, no. Through the battles won, still kingdom come. Best to give me your loyalty. Cause I'm taking the world, you'll see. They'll be calling me, calling me. They'll be calling me royalty. Best to give me your loyalty. Cause I'm taking the world, you'll see. They'll be calling me, calling me. They'll be calling me royalty. They'll be calling me royalty. taking the world, you'll see. They'll be calling me, calling me. They'll be calling me royalty. Best to give me loyalty, 'cause I'm taking the world, you'll see.
It's done, as you can tell. Alright, we're just gonna go into Windows setup, I guess. Hey, we're starting Windows. I wanted to go to Windows Vista, but I tried that before. But it's probably gonna say your upgrade was not successful, and we're just gonna like do its stuff. And our resolution is poor. Our resolution is probably back into 800 by 600. That's the default resolution without graphics drivers. Shift F10. And we can't go into anything. Explore doesn't work. CD C drive. The C drive doesn't exist. CD Windows. CD. That's what we do. Explorer. It's not a valid command. How about we do Notepad and then we do Control O. Never mind, Notepad doesn't exist. CD System 32. Notepad. There we go. We're gonna go to computer. We're going to go. That's the only local disk. Windows. What are all those folders for? Why are they here? Can I go into Explorer? Explorer is technically here. Or should I upgrade the Explorer? Yeah. What is Explorer frame? Can I get help pane? Nope. Why is WinHelp still here? Why does it have a Windows XP thing? Open. Doesn't work. Yeah, a lot of things doesn't work in Windows pre-installation environment. And at least we have some. The graphics driver somewhat work because it's not duplicating itself, which is good. Explorer also doesn't exist. Nice. Oh yeah, and C drive doesn't exist because Dex drive is technically the local one. And it's upgrading Windows instead of installing Windows, so yippee. Expanding Windows installation files. Or yeah, installation. And it's done. Thing is, I feel like it's gonna be almost done. Now it's gonna transfer file settings programs after it restarts, obviously. I'm pretty sure this is what it's gonna go back to 2560 by 1440 with the proper graphics drivers instead of using generic one. You have Windows 7 sub rollback. Windows 7. Yeah. Starting Windows sub is updating registry settings for Windows from Windows Vista to 7. They all have different registry stuff. Now we're transferring file settings and programs, and still in 800 by 600. And hey, the C drive actually exists. So you know what time it is? Explorer time. But I'm pretty sure I ran Explorer Vista. Or is it doing its first time setup for 7? So yeah. Hey, you got Explorer, and it took significantly less time than usual. And why is there no username? I'm pretty sure it's gonna fail low though. Oh yeah, that's flashing. The server process could not be started because the configured identity is correct. Check the username and password. Yeah, this is literal. The system user is literally that bad. Okay. Can I shut down? No, I'm not gonna shut down, or else it's gonna fail. We have Windows Media Player. Recommended settings. Can play Kalimba. I would like to play Kalimba, but I don't think Kalimba is a thing too much. I'm gonna play the funny song. Can I play the funny song without crashing? Come on with the funny song, or the funny song doesn't work. Yeah, the funny song doesn't work. Or Windows Media Player in general. It's gonna go here, I guess. Then we have Administrator, C, Windows, System 32, Command-IXE. Installing devices, setting up your system. Yeah, it's gonna install my previous drivers from Vista, which all of them except for audio, because audio doesn't work yet for some reason. Alright, can we registry editor. Setup cannot be cancelled by this point. Yeah, I know. The user could leave a computer in an unusable state. Yeah, it'll say it failed, and you have to restart the whole setup. No connections are available. Yeah, because that's install Wi-Fi drivers, which is kind of poor, but we don't need Wi-Fi drivers, because if I need to download anything, it's going to be something else. And why is a dock showing up for me? A proud Mac user. I had the courage to switch to Mac, and I have the courage to do whatever this is, making the taskbar fill up half the screen. Now we have extra space to hold all of our items. Woo! And yet, you can't even show the profile picture. That's how poor it is. Oh, that's cool. It's blue. It's blue. And I would like to show the desktop. Blue. Nice. Oh, we have the recycle bin, and we can move it. But it won't work. And we have the clock. Now I want to see what's happening. It's gonna take a long time, right? We're in 29. I'm just gonna keep spamming this till I get to a date where I want. I'm gonna erase it before it's done. Nine 2001. The Twin Towers. If you know, you know. I know how to explain it properly. And we got Bluetooth. Yeah, Bluetooth drivers. Nice. And for some reason, it's still not done. So I'm just gonna pause it. I'm just gonna see you when it's done. Alright, it's currently 46% done. I had to go somewhere, so I paused the VM. Internet still doesn't work, obviously. Show desktop. Hey, transfer the apps though. Before it was only recycle bin. Now we have Mozilla Firefox and Google Chrome. Can we open Mozilla Firefox? I want to open Mozilla Firefox, please. Yeah. Is that Internet Explorer 8? That is Internet Explorer 8, maybe. Probably is. It's slow. It's still transferring files. Cool. Where's Mozilla Firefox? Up here's Mozilla Firefox. It doesn't work because no internet. Mozilla Firefox. It somehow still works. Firefox is no longer support Windows 8.1 or below. Nice. That does, obviously there's no internet, so I can't just. Huh, it does work. I guess it does work. It's just like, it says there's no internet, but we do. Nice. Yeah, close tabs. I'm gonna see if Google works. Or Google. We still have that old version of Google. And yes, Windows 7 Google can go all the way to like version 115 or something. Chrome version is 40, meant for XP and Vista. But macOS Mavericks, which was released newer, later than Windows 7, can only go to version 70. Fun. Help about Google. I want to go to About My Google. Yeah, it probably doesn't work. Upsell will continue after restarting your computer. Oh, that was first UX wind. Sub will continue after restarting your computer. It's probably almost done. I think this is the final time though. That was fast. Sub is still starting its services. And we're still at 800 by 600. And yeah, it's almost done, as you can tell. It's probably going to change to the resolution after. Where is Google? I wonder when it's going to go to 2560 by 1440, or the graphics driver did not install, but it said it did. Is it using the Microsoft Basic one or something? I don't know. Help. About. I'll be back. I'm gonna check to see if it's using the VMware one. And alright, we got device manager, and the entire window is as big as the screen resolution. Also have the Windows XP Classic mouse, not the Arrow mouse, cause classic theme. Yep, the only device that isn't registering is the multimedia audio controller. Display adapters, standard VGA. I don't think that's a VMware graphics driver. Can I try and update it? Never mind. At least it's not using the Microsoft Basic one. We're on version 49. I want the latest version Windows 7 can run. And it's currently updating, so you can see the difference in about 2 seconds. Cool. Alt tab. Yes. So cannot be cancelled. It's an actual window. It's trying to mimic the Arrow theme, the Windows 7, but it's really just classic theme. And yep, it's Internet Explorer 8. Nice. This thing can even go all the way up to Internet Explorer 11. The last version of Internet Explorer, and Microsoft Edge. I don't know how though, but Edge can run on Windows 7. It's not, Microsoft doesn't want you to use Windows 7 because reasons. Alright, I think it's 1 p.m. now, which is true. And it's still updating Google. Hey, 69%. Ding! Nice. And I'll be back when it's done. Whoop! Alright, got Windows Media Player. Why not? This is the longest video of the series, I think, so far. Part 4. Alright, we got this one. I think it's this one. I don't have audio driver, so whatever. Yeah, because there's no driver. I want to play the cool music, but it won't let me. A. At least the newest version of Google Chrome works on this, at least so far. It's very slow. I just go to that's the only program. Why did I open Maps? I don't want to open Maps. I open on a different screen. Continue. Close. Yeah. We got all this. There's VMware Fusion. Yeah, VMware Fusion is here somewhere. I install these programs, because why not? Games. This is ultimate. There's games on here. We have Purple Place. Inkball isn't here anymore. Sad. I like Inkball. Spider Solitaire. Purple Place. Minesweeper. Nah. We don't have any graphics drivers, at least proper. Probably gonna have to reinstall, but it can't reinstall. Because you need 7 RTM. You need 7 SP1s for it to work. Alright, got Windows Media Center, Media Player. Where is games? Are there any games I can play? Because for some reason Minesweeper doesn't work. Purple Place also doesn't work. I'm pretty sure this is just because Windows setup, so nice. Collecting information, upgrading Windows, probably almost done. Although we're 250 files away and somehow can't do it. Or takes like 5,000 years to do it. Oh, if you're wondering, our background's black now. Yeah, because before our background was blue. Now it's black, but I can make it blue by making it a little blue. Perfect. Let me install Windows. Yeah. It's called quality. Let me start Task Manager. We have first UX Wind. Is that a process? Yep. Setup.exe. My system. When log on. I thought it was restarting, but no, it's doing something else. Why is the CPU usage 100%? And transferring files and settings programs. Oh, we have 41 left. It's using 300 megabytes of RAM. Bluetooth network, local area connection. Bluetooth network, local area connection. Network 0%, 1 gigabits connected. It just keeps place waiting, says transferring files, settings, and programs. Hasn't moved a single % when I started recording. At least in the last, minutes. Alright, I'll be back when it's done, because I don't want you to sit through this, even though I made you sit through it for like a few minutes, so it's fine. I don't want you to suffer anymore. Alright, and now it's restarting again. How many times does it have to restart? A lot. Why does it have to take so many restarts just to upgrade? Or is this the last one? Setup is preparing your computer for first time use. Setup is checking video performance. I think it's in 2560 by 1440. Never mind. This is actually the first time it never changed the resolution, usually. Type your Windows product key. No, not yet. Plus I don't need to activate it for now. Connecting to your network and appliance settings. Set your computer's current. Oh, you can move the window. I usually think it's literally just the application and the background mixed together, but no. It's an actual window. Oh yeah, you can't use arrow snap. Oh, you can also do win tab for stuff. Hey. So right now what I think is I don't have graphics drivers. At least proper graphics drivers. And it won't work properly. It's because we need Windows 7 Service Pack 1. But I'm gonna install Legacy Update to get that. Actually, no, I'll do this authentic. Oh! Hey, our Bliss background's still here. Second thing is, it's very, very laggy, and I want Windows 7. And yeah, I didn't change the arrow theme. And it's so slow. Like the mouse chugs every like 5 milliseconds. Or do we just have way too slow, we just don't have graphical acceleration or something. And yeah, it's not gonna work as well because of reasons. Yup. Nice. So I need to download a new proper ISO made for Windows 7 RTM. So VMware tools for Windows 7 RTM. I need VMware tools. I think it requires, oh wait, there's last version of VMware tools to support. Yeah, I'm just gonna find it because I think I found one. I'm gonna try it anyways. Alright, got Windows 7 Service Pack 1. So, give me, where is it? Where is my ISO? Ultimate SP1. I'm just gonna, there it is. There we go. We're just gonna let it upgrade. And hey, the chest wallpaper is still here. Nice. And we're going to install. We're just gonna install. There's only install now. There's no like check compatibility. Cause this is Windows 7. I'm pretty sure it's supposed to, but in case it's not, so. I don't have a Service Pack 1 installed. Well, isn't that great? I need Service Pack 1 for Service Pack 1. Huh? I don't understand my life anymore. So I need to download another ISO of Service Pack 1. Actually, can I use a Legacy Update? Where's Legacy Update? I have Legacy Update. Where is it? Control panel. Wait, no, I need to go into my downloads. I can download Service Pack 1 from or there's supposed to be legacyupdate.net. Yeah, I'm gonna download legacyupdate.net. So update on net. This video is not sponsored by them, so I'm gonna give them my honest review. For me, it's fine for the most part. So let me just run. Where's the runner? And yeah, I'm gonna do all. I'm gonna enable Microsoft Update. So this is all I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna use Legacy Update just to get Service Pack 1 because I'm done trying to find their eyes. So that one took 15 minutes to download, and all that's gonna do is basically give me an error that says you can't install because you're not running Service Pack 1, and this is Service Pack 1. Alright, I forgot to write all this, so now it is Windows. I forgot to write this, so I'll just write it now. Vista Service Pack 2. Now it's nostalgic with Windows 7 RTM. This is being written in Windows XP RTM. Now we have Windows Vista RTM. Now we have 7 RTM. Now, hey, we have installed Windows 7 Service Pack 1. Computer. We have computer. We have our 99.9 gigabyte drive. And what is all these things? What is that? Oh, is this a Service Pack installer or something? I think it is. What are all these folders for? How many folders are these? Look at this. What is all of this? These are all manifest files. If you're a computer expert, tell me what these files are and why are they here? It's literally gigabyte in folders with like random stuff. 10,000 files, 1,000 folders. Why is this here? Oh, you got owner. You got downloads. Documented settings is long gone since XP. Or since Vista or something, I don't know. Oh yeah, the activate Windows thing is a scam for Legacy Update because I enabled the activate Windows option. It still says ask me later. And I'm not activating Windows. I don't need to I need to type a product key. That's how I can activate with telephone. I don't want to, but I can always just find a Windows 7 Ultimate product key. Windows 7. But I'm gonna see you when it's done. The Service Pack installer. Alright, bye. Alright, it's configuring the Service Pack now. Yeah. And it's gonna also install Legacy Update maybe. But I turn the option to turn off Legacy Update because I don't need it. I'm only using it for Service Pack 1. Configuring Service Pack 30%. Woohoo! Starting Windows. Woo! Starting Windows. Starting Windows. Sub is prepare your computer for first use. Why is it prepared for first use? Oh look, it's configuring updates. Configuring updates. Can't close it. It's probably not gonna let you. Oh, basically it looks weird. Hey, I can just like nah. See, I know the Explore folders is C Windows. Yeah. C CD system 32 WinVer. Why can't I type? WinVer. Oh. It just changed to a black background. Is that the usual thing to happen? But even about Windows, this basic theme is weird. System. Control panel. Intel Service Pack 1. Install Service Pack 1 and restarted. Alright, sorry, process cannot be started. I knew that. Oh yeah, internet works. Because it says so. I get internet. Firefox. But not now. Not now. This is an older version of Firefox. For reasons. Alright. I'll see you when it's done, I guess. I think I just wanted to install VMware tools during the setup. I just couldn't resist, okay? Still doing stuff. Next. Up. Installing 2016-03 Source Sync Stack Update for Windows 7. KB3138612. Huh? It still says that I need Windows 2000 XP or Server 2003 32-bit operating system. Do I need to download another ISO? I'm going to do that. VMware Tools Windows 7. It's Service Pack 1, so it's fine. Hey, it's auto playing. 7x86. VMware Tools Windows 7 download. Installing SHA-2 code signing support update for Windows 7. Woo! I have VMware tools here. Where's setup? Why is this saying import pictures of this? This doesn't know it's Is this real? VMware tool. It's only for x64. Dang it. I want it for x86. Alright, I'll just be back. Alright, VMware Tools works now, so yeah. Never mind. It says I need 2000 XP or Server 2003. It'll change the operating system to to Windows 7, the compatibility thing. So fun. I'm having so much fun today. Alright, bye. Alright, so VMware Tools works now after 40 minutes of fixing. So I just reinstalled Windows 7 SP1, but don't worry. Technically, I just installed it to a different for this. This is the other one where it has that. So I need to find my upgrade folder. Yes. Desktop. There's all these, the VMware stuff. XP Activate 32. Where's upgrade? Here it is. Copy to desktop. Copy to the desktop. Yeah, this is SPO with Internet Explorer 8 still. So let's install whatever. Installing VM Next Net 3. Install. Installing everything. Why is that not fun? Fun. Still not working. I mean, it doesn't say it requires, stuff. Is this SP1? It doesn't say it needs SP1, so it probably is. Just install it again. Because internet doesn't work, so that's fun. Internet was working the other one. The VMCI driver doesn't work. So install. Yeah, if it can't install the memory driver, it's gonna fail. So I just want to install VMware Tools. Alright, bye. I'm installing Windows 8 now. This is a new installation of Windows 8, but it's on a new disk, so it's fine for the most part. Instead, I need to restart for something. That's a Windows 8 CD or DVD. Boot. Hello? Yeah? There's no startup sound still. Ready to install Windows 8. Continue. Oh. The desktop window manager stopped working. What? What? Alright, install. I can't really time lapse this. Windows key. Me. And this, yes, is the worst version of Windows that everyone agrees on. For me, I can't understand a little bit, but sure. I've used Windows 8.1 before on my late 2013 iMac, and it was hella slow. Alright, see you when it's done. Or at the upgrade screen. Down. It's gonna upgrade now. Was fast. You got Windows 8. You got Windows 8. Yay. Oh, now we got the Squish Windows logo. Can I load command prompt? I can't. I'm really pressing Shift F10. I'm pressing the keys and it's not working. Getting devices ready. 67%. Sure. Is it restarting? Again? Or is it doing stuff? I don't see a cursor. Pretty sure it's restarting again, even though it hasn't. It's taking a little while. It's taking a little while. Oh, you got a mouse cursor. For a sec. Oh, we have another mouse cursor. Mouse. 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 I just counted how many mouses there are. Yeah, another mouse. I can't tell if it's restarting. Alright, I'm just gonna let this sit. Or is it doing the thing where I can't upgrade? I'm pretty sure if I restart, it's gonna go back to Windows 7. I'm pretty sure it's just doing the black screen again. I'm gonna restart. I'm gonna do it again. Up. Got the booter. Yay. It's gonna say, reverting. Yep, your Windows installation is not successful. I'm gonna do this again, and if it does the same thing, I'm literally gonna crash out. So, see you later. Actually, I should do this next time. Because it's 1 hour and 8 minutes already. Thanks for watching. Bye.